Thing number 6. Your body is a rental with an expiration date. I wish I knew that without modern maintenance the machine breaks down fast. I ignored a small toothache. 2 weeks later, my face was swollen shut. Antibiotics are the only magic that exists. I laughed at fishmocks in the pet store. I shouldn't have. Amoxicillin is amoxicillin. When the pharmacy closed, the fish aisle became the ER. Know your dosage or die. I underestimated vitamin C. Scurvy isn't just for pirates. It causes your old scars to reopen. Literally, the collagen breaks down. I watched a childhood surgery scar split open because I didn't eat enough pine needles. Hygiene is healthcare. I stopped washing hands to save water. Then I got an eye infection from rubbing my face. Soap is worth more than bullets. You can't shoot a bacteria. Wash your hands, filth bag. Caffeine withdrawal is debilitating. I didn't think it mattered. But on day 3, the headache crippled me. I couldn't focus to scavenge. Wean yourself off now, or hoard instant coffee like it's heroin. Feet are your tires. I didn't change my socks. I got trench foot. It feels like your toes are rotting off, because they are. Dry socks are the most critical piece of gear you own. Change them or crawl. I wish I knew that first aid kits are mostly trash. Band-aids don't fix deep cuts. You need superglue and duct tape. I had to close a gash with crazy glue. It burned like hell, but it kept the sepsis out. Prescription meds run out. If you are on SSRIs or blood pressure meds, the clock is ticking. Withdrawal from antidepressants in a high-stress environment is a nightmare. The mental break happens before the physical one. Glasses break. I dropped mine. Tape held them together, but my depth perception was gone. If you can't see, you can't hunt or fight. Keep your old prescription pairs. Survival requires 20/20th vision. Earplugs are vital. Gunshots in enclosed spaces blow your eardrums. I fired once inside a hallway and was deaf for 2 days. I couldn't hear the looters approaching. Protect your senses. They are your radar. Thing number 7. Your mind is the enemy. I prepared for zombies. I didn't prepare for silence. The boredom is lethal. Without a job, your brain eats itself. I wish I knew that a deck of cards is a survival tool. Future orientation keeps you alive. The moment I stopped planning for next week and only focused on now, I got depressed. You need a project. Build a chair, dig a hole. Just do something to prove you exist. Solitude causes hallucinations. I started hearing voices in the wind. It's called the third man factor. Your brain invents a companion. Don't trust the voices, but don't be afraid of them. It's just your brain coping. I underestimated the power of totems. I carried a picture of my dog. It was the only thing that stopped me from quitting. You need an emotional anchor. Pure logic leads to suicide. You need irrational hope. Journaling saves your sanity. I wrote on receipts. It externalized the chaos. If you keep the trauma inside, it festers. Writing is the only therapy you will get. Become the historian of your own misery. The Stockdale paradox is real. The optimists died first. They said, we'll be saved by Christmas. Christmas came and went. They broke. You must accept the brutal reality while believing you will prevail in the end. Sleep deprivation makes you paranoid. I thought squirrels were snipers. You need 4 hours of anchor sleep. If you don't get it, you are a liability with a weapon. Sleep is a weapon maintenance cycle. Routine is armor. I woke up, washed, ate, worked, even if there was no work. The routine protected me from the void. If you let the days bleed together, you lose the will to live. Enforce structure on chaos. I wish I knew that fear is a calorie burner. Being afraid all day exhausts you. I had to learn tactical breathing. Box breathing saves energy. Panic is expensive. Calm is efficient. Nostalgia is poison. I spent hours thinking about air conditioning. It made the heat worse. You have to kill the past. You live in the now. The old world is a ghost story. Don't let the ghosts haunt you. Humor is the ultimate hack. If you can't laugh at the absurdity of eating cat food, you will break. Dark humor isn't rude. It's a coping mechanism. Laughing reduces cortisol. It's a biological necessity. I learned to be comfortably uncomfortable. Modern life made me soft. I had to reharden my mind. Cold is just information. Hunger is just a signal. You detach the feeling from the suffering. So, thing 6. The body rots without maintenance. Thing 7. The mind breaks without purpose. I fixed my teeth and my head, but I wasn't ready for the external threat, the one that smiles. The next section covers things 8 and 9. It's about people. I wish I knew that the nice neighbor was waiting for me to starve. Trust is the most dangerous thing you can carry. If you think you can survive alone, you're wrong. If you think you can trust a group, you're also wrong. The balance is impossible. Let's talk about the sociology of the end.